22 years. We start to, the first company that we negotiated was a French company for to manufacture here the molds for the automotive industry. The automotive industry in that years was a projection to grow more than 20% per year. In other words, they have two questions. China is going to be strong in automotive, or the Romania, Czechoslovakia, all the countries that is around the URSS.
Is it the core company, or there were subcontractors to in France? I mean,
no, we work with the biggest company that manufactures molds, which the name is Kojemul. Okay. Kojemul is in the plastic valley.
Yeah.
And I take a lot of courses. That's why we're in plastics.
Yeah.
And then we make the arrangements and everything. We started 20 years ago. Second was US. We started to work with the water. We work with oil companies like Shaw. It's a big company located in Atlanta that manufactures pipelines for the oil companies. We also make an association with the ¿cómo se llama la compañía de agua?
¿De las turbinas?
De agua, para fabricar agua. Bueno, at the end of the line, we make a lot of partnership associations to develop. The most interest for them, we only have interest in the technology. Technology for us is what we can use of your technology, not your 100% technology, because 100% technology is developed for your own specific characteristics, local characteristics. Yes. We know what are our characteristics, and then we make the adjustment, but we need to have the basis of engineering and research to adapt, because Americans usually don't adapt. Nope. They do something like this, and you go through this. When we start to make the modifications, say, oh, I don't believe that, let me check that, let me evaluate. Then we do it, because we are engineers also. Engineering is engineering in any place of the world. And then we prove that, we make the calculations. That, as you say, is true, is correct. But you need to, first, again, you need to, you need to go to your own knowledge. You need to be very strong. If you want to be a consultant, it's like you like to be the best and strongest fighter that you can imagine, because you need to be strong in several exactly, in several ways. Then, and that takes time. You need to accept that. It takes time. To have the reason means only one thing, just to have the reasons. You don't have nothing more than the reason. Doesn't matter how strong you are in the reason. When you have the real reason, when the other guy accept that and do that and go with you, in that moment you can do it. But if not, you say, this is true, this is mathematically it's proven. Okay, you're right. Next.
Then generally, considering that you've worked in this for 45 years, how long did it take you to say start your first major project? Like how much time did you invest in building those relationships and acquiring the knowledge to actually build a solid project?
For me personally, 10, 12 years. That's why I say 10 to 15 years. For me. Okay. But I would like to tell you one very short story. One guy asked to a farmer, he's walking by the road, and say, how long time takes to go to the other side of the hill? And the farmer say, walk, and I tell you. It's up to you. And it's not because you are smarter or not. It's because every single person is unique. Then that's depends on your interest. Who say that maybe in 3 years you are married with 5 children and then you don't care what happened?
That's true.
And then the life is not decided until it's decided.
That's true.
Then, but we start to walk in the philosophy roads, and which is not bad. It's the only thing that you are going to have finally, your philosophy of your life. Okay, let me try to go through the matter.
Thank you.
How we use the